Alrighty guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $10 to $100 per day just by watching videos. Okay, so stick around. We'll be right back here in just a few seconds. Alrighty guys, welcome back to the video. My name is Kevin Lehner with FreedomMotivator.com, and in today's video, like I told you, I'm going to show you how you can make anywhere from $10 to $100 just by watching videos. And I've got a bonus site for you too as well, so make sure you stick around and watch all this video so you see the other site that I'm talking about as well. Alright, so if this is your first time here to my channel or my videos and you have not yet subscribed to the channel, reach down there below right now and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos, which we do fairly regularly here. And also, if you like these videos that I make and I'd like to see more, reach down there and hit that thumbs up button for me at any time through the video, and we'd appreciate that too. It'll help me out, help my channel out. And also, what we do here, if this is your first time here and watching my videos, what we do is we do videos on affiliate marketing, how-to videos, anything to do with making money online to help you live the life of freedom. And once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you too. Okay? Alright, great. Well, with all that to do out of the way, let's go ahead and get started down on today's video. And it's websites that I've found here where you can come over, and one of them is called TryMyUI. And UI does not stand for urinary infection. Okay, it means user interface. These sites, this site and then the others that I'm going to show you here, they need people like you and I to test their websites and or their mobile apps so that they can be improved for people. They really value your opinion and they're willing to pay you to do that. Now, go to this one here is TryMyUI.com. You see the address there in the address bar. And what you do is you're going to come here and it reads a little bit about it. This is for people that are companies that want to hire this company to test their websites, which you would be one of the clients or the testers, right? So some of the companies, I thought they would show it down here. They work here. Some of the companies: Priceline, British Airways, U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, and Amazon.com, NBC, and Bose. Well, anyways, what you want to do is you want to come here to this site, and you're going to come up here to upper right where it says Get Paid to Test, and then click on that. And it comes over here. You see where it says Become a TryMyUI Tester, and it says Get Paid to Use Websites and Apps and Give Your Honest Feedbacks and Opinions. You can get paid from this site up to $10 for each test you take. A typical test lasts approximately about 20 minutes. Okay, so if you had 3 of these from this company to take in one day, that's what, $30, right? Because in 1 hour, if you do them every 20 minutes, some of those tests could probably be done in less than 20 minutes. So you'd have an opportunity to even take more tests if there's tests available to you. Now, this company pays through PayPal. It says we send payments right here to PayPal out every Friday. Okay, so that is one of the sites right here you want to come to is TryMyUI.com, and you can sign up here and become a tester to test out applications and websites and so on and so forth just by watching videos on your screen, and you'll use your voice. So they may want you to use a microphone so that they can hear your voice as you give your opinion as well. And they also have you can have, and they're going to be probably written responses too to a short wrapped up survey at the end of your test. And it says there's no limited number of tests you can do, but expect to get a few of them each week. And this is definitely not it's not full-time work. You're not going to get rich off of this or make any kind of a full-time living. However, stick around and I'm going to show you how you can scale this up here. Remember I told you about the bonus site, right? All right, just a way to make a few extra bucks doing something fun in your spare time. So if you have some spare time that you can use to do this, you can make quite a few extra dollars on this website. Okay. All right, let's go over to the next site. The next site that I'm going to point you to is called Lytx. Lytx.com. You see it right up here in the address bar. And you come over here and you can see the same thing. They tell you a little bit about it. And this is for businesses that want to hire them to have people like you and I test their websites and or mobile applications. And then you can see if we scroll down through here, here's some of the companies that they work with: Microsoft, Google, Philips, L'Oreal, American Airlines, Washington Post, and so on and so forth. And so same thing here. You're going to come here to User Lytx. You're going to come up here to the top where it says Tester Sign Up right here. And then click on that. And it'll bring you over here to this page, and you see where it says Get Paid to Test Websites and Applications, Mobile Applications. It says Register and Earn Money. All these are free, by the way. These sites are free and can be done anywhere in the world. Okay? So it doesn't matter where you're at. The main thing is you just want to have a PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal account, go to paypal.com. It's easy enough to sign up for a PayPal account there using a good email address. Okay. All right. So by completing a short and easy form on this page, you can join the global community of users testers. Interact with web or mobile apps or other type of digital assets. Speak your thoughts and emotions. Again, you'll need a microphone probably for this job. And out loud as you do so, and answer a few questions. User testing is fun, it says. All right, and then and they're going to pay you by PayPal here, so that's the same as the other website. They pay by PayPal too, so we want to make sure we have a PayPal account, right? And you can once your test results have been approved, depending on the user test project, you can be paid anywhere from 5, 10, 15, 20, and other amounts. And it says here that some projects will pay you up to as much as $90. Okay, so if you join both these sites, you have an opportunity to make anywhere from $10 to $100 or maybe a little bit more per day, right? Because both sites will get you more jobs or more tests that you can work on at any one time. All right, so here again, this like I said, everything is available worldwide here, and it's free to join this. Free to do this. Doesn't cost anything to make any money on this website at all, or any of the other ones that I'm going to show you that I've showed you already, such as TryMyUI. Okay. All right. Now, and it talks a little bit here about how it works and would you enjoy being paid on a part-time basis to check out the usability of apps or websites as you test from home on your own time whenever you are free. And there's no set schedules. There's no time limits. There's no you have to be here and do it at this time or anything like that. It's on your own time and your free time whenever you feel like doing it. And now you can, by participating in user testing, providing your feedback and suggestions. And then it just tells you again down here what I told you earlier about anywhere from $5 to $90 per test. Okay. All right, those are the two sites there that if you join both of those, you're probably pretty sure to get quite a few jobs or tests that you can make money with, okay? Now, the bonus site that I wanted to tell you about is right here, and it's called User Testing. And you see it here at usertesting.com up here in the address bar. Same thing here as the other ones. They have different organizations, different types of testing that they do with different companies. Here's some of their companies that they deal with. And the same thing here is you're going to come over here to this site and you'll click right here where it says Get Paid to Test right there. So click on that. That brings us over to this page. and you can earn up to $60 per test. Here, same thing here. Visit a website or an application, mobile application. Complete a set of tasks, speaking your thoughts out loud. Again, you'll need a microphone for this. And then get paid. And here it says get paid $10 via PayPal for every 20-minute video that you complete. So here again, that's why they say make up to $60. So if you could do 3 of those in an hour, 20 by 3, that's $60. But the way that you can really ramp this up is to join all 3 of these websites, right? All 3 of these sites, TryMyUI, User Lytx, and testercom. Join all 3 of those sites. Again, free, anywhere, available anywhere in the world. Free to join, and you can scale up and even make more than $100 and possibly even close to $200 per day doing testing websites and mobile applications. Just make sure that you have a PayPal account, right? Okay. All right, guys, that's pretty much what I had for you today. Wanted to turn you on to these 3 websites where you can make up to anywhere from $10 to $100 for sure, probably, and on beyond that if you sign up for all 3 sites. All righty, guys, thanks for coming. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to reach down there and hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified when we upload new videos. And if you want to check out my #1 business, click down there below in the description where it says mentorwithkev.com. Okay? Alrighty, guys, thanks for coming to today's video. I'll see you again here in a couple of days on the next video. Alright, you guys take care and have an awesome day today. Alright, thanks. Bye-bye now.